I believe artificial intelligence crypto projects are going to be huge in the next bull market. Today, we're going to take a look at my top 3 AI crypto projects. Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income, farming and staking of blue chips, low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. Any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, the first project I want to cover is coming in at number 3 is SingularityNET. SingularityNET is a decentralized artificial intelligence marketplace and platform that allows anyone to easily create, share, and monetize their AI services. The platform is built on blockchain technology, which ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. SingularityNET has a number of features that make it unique, including a large and growing library of AI services. SingularityNET has a library of over 100 AI services, which are constantly being added to. These services cover a wide range of tasks, including image recognition, natural language processing, and machine translation. SingularityNET is a decentralized marketplace, which means that anyone can participate in the platform. This includes both AI developers and users. A secure and transparent platform it is. SingularityNET is built on blockchain technology, which ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. The main goal of SingularityNET is to create an artificial general intelligence with far-reaching capabilities. AGI is a type of AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Sounds a little scary, but it's really cool at the same time. Okay, the only reason that Singularity is not higher than number 3 on my list is because of the staking. This is a staking channel. We're here to make passive income. If I look here, the staking calculator, if you stake 1,000 tokens, how much is 1,000 Singularity tokens? It's 22.7 cents. So if we go ahead and do the math on that, 0.227 times 1,000, try easy math on it's $227. We put $227 worth of tokens and we stake them for 30 days. You get 1 token as a reward. To me, that's not worth it. There is some staking or farming, I should say, that I've been doing on MinSwap. That's pretty good. It's pretty lucrative on that. I am doing some of that, but this is a little disappointing. It's because the current pool sizes are huge on these. A lot of people are getting into it. To me, that 200 and some dollars that I could put elsewhere. But I really love the project. I think it is a great project. That's why it is coming in at number 3. Okay, coming in at number 2 is Viat. I think Viat is very, very undervalued. One of my favorite low cap gems as well. Viat platform is a suite of blockchain-based AI virtual assistants that are designed to help businesses and consumers automate tasks and transactions. There are many benefits of using Viat. The Viat platform can automate a wide range of tasks and transactions, which can save businesses and consumers time and money. It also has secure and transparent transactions, is built on blockchain technology, which ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. And then also the Viat platform leverages intelligent solutions to provide businesses and consumers with a better user experience. The Viat token itself is based on the Ethereum blockchain, but it'll eventually migrate to Cosmos, which is amazing. SDK, the Cosmos SDK is an open source framework for building blockchains in a application specific manner. This channel is a big fan of Cosmos SDK for sure. Also, the Viat token has a number of use cases. That's for paying for the IVA services, voting on decisions that will impact the Viat platform, and staking for rewards. We're a big fan on this channel. Of I'll show you the staking here in a second. The Viat token is still in its early stages, but it's definitely got a lot of potential. We take a look at the staking. It's at stake.viat.ai. The staking is paying out at 30.35% APR. I do have a video I will put in the description of this video showing exactly how to stake. It's on the Polygon Matic network, so the gas fees are super cheap, and it's a great payout. I just think this is a great project, and the staking is phenomenal in my opinion. So Viat coming in at number 2. Take a look at the price chart really quick for Viat. It's at 8.6 cents. The market cap is only 34.7 million. That's a fully diluted market cap. All-time high is $3.60. So it has a long way to run to its all-time high. I am a big fan of the Viat token. Okay, coming in at number 1 is Fetch.ai. It kind of has to, in my opinion. I think this project has tons of potential for the future. Fetch.ai is a decentralized machine learning platform that uses artificial intelligence to automate tasks and transactions. It is built on a blockchain network that allows users to create and interact with smart agents, which are software programs that can perform tasks on the behalf of users. Fetch's main goal is to create a decentralized digital economy that is powered by AI. The platform has a number of potential applications, including automating everyday tasks. It can be used to automate a wide range of tasks, such as booking flights, finding parking, and managing finances. It can also optimize supply chains. It can be used to optimize supply chains by helping businesses to find the most efficient way to move goods and services. Also can be used to create new markets by connecting buyers and sellers in a secure and transparent way. The FET token is the native currency of the platform, and it is used to pay for transactions, to create smart agents, and to vote on decisions that will impact the future of the platform. The staking pays out around 10% APY. I have mine auto compounding. There's a video in the description of this video where I show step by step how to stake the FET token. We take a look at the FET price action. It's at 21.3 cents. Current market cap's at 246 million. Is a little higher, but it's I think this is one of the mainstream ones that will do very, very well next bull market. The all-time high is $1.17. Got up pretty high recently. Let's see. Yeah, it was in between January and February. It got all the way up to it was over 50 cents at one point. That was this year. So and the total supply is 1.152 billion tokens, and most of them are in circulation current. So I think FET is probably the safest bet, and that's why I'm picking it as number 1 on my top 3 AI coins for the next bull market. If you have any AI projects that I have not covered that have staking or farming or some type of passive income, please leave them in the comments of this video. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.